It costs less than $5 to ship a small box 2,000 miles across the United States. But that same box, it will cost the carrier nearly double that just to move it the final 2,000 feet to your front door. In the world of logistics, the journey across the Pacific Ocean is a breeze. It's the driveway that's the nightmare. We are currently living through a logistical paradox where it is mathematically easier to fly a package over the Rockies than it is to find a legal parking spot in Brooklyn. By the end of this video, you'll understand the invisible war happening on your curb and why the biggest tech companies on Earth are betting billions on robots just to solve the last mile struggle. In Act 1, to understand this, we have to look at how stuff moves. Think of the US supply chain like a massive tree. The trunk is the interstate system, wide, fast, and incredibly efficient. A single semi-truck can carry thousands of packages at 65 miles per hour with almost zero stops. This is the long haul, and it's cheap. But as the package moves toward you, the branches get smaller and more crowded. When that package hits your neighborhood, the efficiency of the interstate vanishes. Now, a driver has to deal with gas prices, narrow suburban cul-de-sacs, apartment buzzer codes that don't work, and the porch pirate problem. Here is the shocking part. The last mile, the final leg of the journey, accounts for a staggering 53% of the total shipping cost. In Act 2, why can't we just make it better? Because the last mile is a low-density problem. In the long haul, you move 5,000 items to one place. In the last mile, you move one item to 5,000 different places. Every time a driver has to circle the block to find parking, the profit on your $15 order evaporates. In cities like New York or Chicago, delivery companies pay millions in parking fines every year as a cost of doing business. It's literally cheaper to pay the ticket than to spend 20 minutes finding a legal spot. This is why Amazon, FedEx, and UPS are obsessed with automation. They are trying to remove the most expensive element from the equation, the human. In Act 3 and CTA, the companies that win the next decade won't be the ones with the fastest planes. They'll be the ones who figure out how to get a box from the curb to your door for less than the price of a cup of coffee. As we move toward a world of 30-minute deliveries, it raises a big question. Would you be okay with dozens of small delivery robots crowding your local sidewalks if it meant your shipping was truly instant? Let us know in the comments. Does the convenience outweigh the clutter?